Nyam Nyam brings to you the queen of all layer cakes, red velvet cake. All you need is 90 grams of unsalted butter in a mixing bowl with half a teaspoon of salt. Add 240 grams of sugar to that and whisk it all up. Now we're going to add 2 eggs, no need to pre-whisk them, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Give it a good whisk. Now we add 230 grams of cake flour, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 160 millilitres of buttermilk, and a few drops of red food colouring. And give it a good whisk. And there you have your red velvet cake mixture. Pour that in your cake tin and smooth it out with a spatula. That goes in the oven at 160 degrees for 35 minutes. Meanwhile, get 450 grams of cream cheese, 120 grams of unsalted butter, and whisk them together in a mixing bowl. Add 250 grams of icing sugar to that. No need to add it in gradually, you can just chuck it all in one go. Nice and easy. Now our cake is ready. We're going to slice it. And we're going to add our cream cheese filling. Spread it out. Stick our layer on top. And repeat. Be as generous as you like with this. Just to get the right balance, we're going to smooth it all the way around the entire cake. Now, through a piping bag, we're going to squirt a little bit of extra cream cheese to make our little raindrop pattern on top. Grate some dried strawberries over that. A beautiful finishing touch. Look at that. Red velvet heaven indeed. Go on. I know you want to.